Welcome to Financial News and Views. My name is Danny and I'm here to bring you some news along with my views. Today's video is for my OMI homies. I'll be talking about Ecomi, the Veve app, and the OMI token. So if you like the content, please hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Now let's get it. I believe the OMI token has the potential to explode in the years to come. For those unfamiliar, this is in the NFT sector, which has completely blown up this past year and which appears to be around for a long time. Taking a quick look at the chart, we can see that OMI's market cap at the time of this recording is approximately $500 million. The coin is at about a third of a penny, coming down off a high of approximately 1 penny back in March. We'll take another look at this chart a little later in the video. First, let's jump into why I'm so bullish on this coin. It has to do with the sector that it's in, NFTs. As you can see, NFT sales volume surged to $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021. They've since cooled down, but with the world becoming more digital, I don't think these things are going anywhere in the years to come. There are more and more people getting involved in the space. You've got Gary Vee founding VeeFriends. There are people like Jay-Z getting involved in the space. He recently sold digital art from his debut album Reasonable Doubt for $139,000 at auction. Of course, there's NBA Top Shots and these things, CryptoPunks, which cost a lot of money. These top two sold for $7.5 million back in March. Since then, others have sold for over $1 million. Now you might be saying this is ridiculous. These are stupid. Why would anyone pay millions of dollars for something like a CryptoPunk? But there are collectors who find value in these. And as the world gets more digital, I don't think these are going away anytime soon. I personally do not collect NFTs, nor do I ever want to collect an NFT, but I think there's money to be made in the space, and I think that OMI is a pick and shovels play in the sector. So there are three main reasons why I am investing in OMI. One is that I believe that NFTs will continue to explode in the next decade. Two, OMI has a tremendous leadership team who know how to succeed. 3, OMI has the licensing to succeed in the sector. One of Veve's creators is Alfred Kahn. You may not have heard of him, but Alfred Kahn has been responsible for many of the biggest hits in licensing, including Cabbage Patch Kids, Pokemon, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Yu-Gi-Oh! He's also credited for the marketing and licensing programs for other iconic brands such as Nintendo, Mario Brothers, Zelda, Donkey Kong, James Bond, World Wrestling Federation, WCW, Monster and Jam Monster Trucks, Xbox, and Polly Pocket. So this guy has been around. He's had a ton of success throughout the years, and this is his next project that he thinks will be the next big thing. When I look at projects and companies to invest in, I look for strong leadership and people who know how to succeed, and Alfred Kahn has demonstrated that time and time again. Now let's get into licensing, because this is what matters in the world of NFTs. And through Alfred Kahn's connections, Veve has a ton of sought-after licenses. They have Batman and Superman, DC Comics, they've got Star Trek: The Next Generation, Ghostbusters, Powerpuff Girls, Adventure Time, Jurassic Park, Back to the Future. When you go through the Veve app, you'll see that they have virtual showrooms that they've recently created where collectors can display their NFTs in unique ways. There is augmented reality functionality. You can buy and sell with others in the secondary market, and they are continuing to improve the functionality of the app. In a huge announcement last week, Veve announced their partnership with Marvel. This is huge. Doesn't get much bigger than Marvel. They generate billions of dollars in sales every year. Marvel to release NFTs on digital collectibles app. Veve was recently at Comic-Con in San Diego. Comic-Con is the biggest pop culture event of the year, bringing together fandoms from around the world. So they are growing their brand and getting their name out there. They'll be venturing into sports with partnerships with the NFL and MLB, and it seems like every day they're announcing new licensing acquisitions. We recently had Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, and there's really no telling what else they'll add. Could you imagine what an ultra-rare Charizard NFT would sell for? Logan Paul couldn't wear it around his neck, but he could throw it up on social. So again, I have no intention of collecting NFTs, but I do think the space is going to grow, and I want my bank account to grow along with it. With a current market cap of about $500 million and the token sitting at 1/3 of a penny, I don't think it's unreasonable for this to 20x in the short term. Everything that drops on the Veve app sells out immediately. I can see this thing continuing to gain traction and grow, and I could really see this getting up to a $10 billion market cap, which would bring the coin to a new all-time high of 5 or 6 cents. I think that's definitely possible, and I think many years from now this could go way higher. So this plays a bit speculative because the whole world of NFTs is so new and we don't know where it's going to go or who's going to win, but I think this has a ton of upside. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I have no background in finance. Always do your own research, do your own due diligence. Please comment below and let me know what you think of the Veve app and the OMI token. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel on your way out if you like the content. Be happy, be healthy, be safe.